Why America joined World War I. When World War I began in 1914, the United States did not want to join. Most Americans believed the war was a European problem. But several events slowly pushed the U.S. toward involvement. By 1917, the U.S. could no longer stay out. Here are the main reasons, explained clearly. 1. Germany's unrestricted submarine warfare. Germany used submarines, called U-boats, to attack ships heading to Britain. In 1915, a German U-boat sank the British passenger ship Lusitania, killing 128 Americans. The U.S. was angry but still stayed neutral. Then in January 1917, Germany made a bold decision. They announced they would sink any ship near Britain, even if Americans were on board. This meant American lives and trade were now directly threatened. 2. The Submarine telegram, 1917. This is the moment many historians call the breaking point. Britain intercepted a secret message from Germany to Mexico. In it, Germany promised Mexico help to reclaim Texas, Arizona, and New Mexico if Mexico attacked the United States and helped Germany in the war. When the U.S. public learned about the telegram, they were shocked and furious. It looked like Germany was trying to bring war to America's borders. 3. Protecting American trade and economy. Even while neutral, the United States traded heavily with Britain and France, selling food, weapons, supplies. If Germany defeated Britain and France, the U.S. would lose billions of dollars in loans and trade. So America had a strong economic reason to help the Allies. 4. Protecting democracy, President Wilson's argument. President Woodrow Wilson believed the war was a fight between Allied democracies, Britain, France, later the U.S., authoritarian empires, Germany, Austria, Hungary, Ottoman Empire. He said the world needed to be made safe for democracy. This idea appealed to many Americans. It gave a moral reason to join. 5. Russian Revolution, 1917. At the start of World War I, Russia was an absolute monarchy, which made Americans uneasy about joining the Allies. But in March 1917, Russia's Tsar was overthrown and Russia became more democratic, before later falling to the Bolsheviks. This made the Allies seem more aligned with American values. 6. Germany's actions made neutrality impossible. Germany continued sinking American ships. The Lusitania, the Vigilancia, the city of Memphis. Each attack increased pressure on Wilson and Congress. By April 1917, it was clear that American ships were in danger. American security was threatened. American democracy was being challenged. On April 6, 1917, the U.S. Congress officially declared war on Germany.